All right, we're back, everybody. Okay, thanks for hanging in. Happy Monday. We've got a big week ahead, and we're going to talk about Oscars to start. Not that, but congrats to the winners, and so nice to see Coda win Best Picture. Now, I am woefully behind on my movie watching, but I did pay special attention to the red carpet fashion. And by the way, in my opinion, Ingenue Ellis won with that gorgeous Versace orange gown. And wow, Timothée showed us that shirts are now optional when it's formal. Now, did you know that Verizon deserves Best Network for the work that we did at the Academy Awards? Absolutely. That portal experience was so cool. So here's the thing. We want to know, did you use it? And what did you think? Let us know. You can comment on VZWeb or on Twitter. And of course, you need the right device to truly make it Oscar worthy. Well, we have the right promotion just in time for you.
Verizon Unlimited is going ultra. Now our best plan ever gives you more than ever. With 5G ultra-wideband in many more cities.
Cool.
You get up to 10 times the speed at no extra cost. And 5G data that's for reals unlimited.
Did you just say for reals?
Sorry. You also get Disney Plus, gaming, music, and more included with your plan.
Shh, I'm in the lead.
Go on. Watch all you want.
I love this show.
Now, for a limited time, Verizon has the offer you just can't miss.
Seriously?
Get a 5G phone on us with no trade-in required, plus $1,000 to help you switch.
Okay, that was huge, and we are going to recap. If you sign up now for an unlimited plan, you get all the perks without having to trade in your own phone. But wait, there's more. You get $1,000 to break up with your old provider. So this is a heck of a promotion. And while we're talking about good investments, let's take a second to talk about Stock Together. So last week, Andy spoke with Hans and Sam, who shared the vision and commitment behind Stock Together, and they explained how it works. Well, today we've got fellow V-teamers talking about this amazing program and why they love it.
Stock Together is the company investing in me and me investing in the company.
A partnership with the company and the employees.
So it's a way for Verizon to thank us and to be part of its future.
We have stock in the company's successes.
Getting to, financially celebrate when the company is doing well.
I want to make sure that I'm hardworking and really contributing to the company to also raise that stock price and be invested myself.
I think it's important that the company show employees that we listen, we hear you, and I think Verizon has done that.
Use it for a vacation for my wife and our 2 boys.
Family trip to Madrid.
Investing it back into my house.
Invested in Verizon stocks.
The Disney World.
Doesn't it feel good to have Verizon invest in you? Yeah, because you're worth it. All right, we're going to leave you with a feel-good V-teamer story. Our friends in Belgium came together to volunteer at their worksite and do some spring cleaning. Talk about spring cleaning. Take a look at that. They filled 56 large trash bags, 21 of which hold recyclable cans and plastics. So great work, everybody. What a commitment to being impactful. So that is going to do it for us today. I'm Diana Alvear. I hope you have a great week. We've got a Women's History Month recap coming this week and more great events. So lots to look forward to. I want you to stay safe, and until next time, you're up to speed.